Dear friends and followers, welcome back to Aviator Sam, where you will learn more about aviation. In today's video, we'll be counting down top 5 biggest airplanes ever built in terms of their wingspan. So fasten up your seatbelts and enjoy the journey. Let's start with number 5, the Boeing 747-8, also known as the Queen of the Skies. The Boeing 747 family has been in the service for over 30 decades and holds a record of longest airliner in the world. It has a wingspan of 68.4 meters, a length of 76.3 meters, and it weighs around 220,000 kgs. Number 4 in the list is Airbus 380. A380 is also known for its double-decker design and holds a record to carry more than 800 passengers during a single flight. The world's most famous, Emirates Airline, is the largest operator of A380. It has a wingspan of 79 meters, a length of 72 meters, and weighs around 277,000 kgs. Number 3 on the list is Antonov A225. It's an 6-engined Russian aircraft which holds a record of heaviest aircraft ever built and has a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons. It has a wingspan of 88 meters and length of 84 meters. The US H-4 Hercules holds the second position on the list. Its first and the only flight was just 22 seconds or 1.5 kilometers long. It had a wingspan of 97.54 meters, the length of 66.6 meters, and it weighed around 113,400 kgs. And number 1 on the list is starter launch. Twin fuselage joined together. Its purpose is to act as a flying launch platform to put payloads in the orbits and has a wingspan of 117 meters, a length of 73 meters, and it weighs around 227,000 kgs. So that's all for this video, Ape Geeks. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned.